I'm Susan. Today I'm doing a crock pot recipe, and it's a cheesy potatoes and ham. And for this recipe you'll need 10 potatoes. Now these are just average size potatoes. You'll need 1 onion diced, pepper to taste, 1/4 pound of processed cheese like Velveeta, a cup of ham. This is a little bit more than a cup. I just used one of these packs. My husband was able to get it marked down. And a can of cream of chicken soup. So I hope y'all are doing great today. And without further ado, let's get started. You begin by cutting your potatoes into thin slices. I use my mandolin for this. And I did use the guard on my mandolin once the potato got short. Now you just want to add everything into your crock pot. You want to give it a good mix and cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours. And that was all there is to it. I have to admit it wasn't the prettiest dish I've ever made, but it really tasted good. It was sort of like a baked potato, really. My son and I, we ended up treating it like a baked potato. We added sour cream and butter and toppings to it, cheese, and it was really, really good. So I hope you'll give it a try. It tastes a lot better than it looks. So, y'all have a great, wonderful day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye, y'all.